Let's see. Back over from there. Well, it's nice and peaceful out here. Nice, quiet place, good for meditation. Nice water flowing, running all down through here. Runs really fast after a good rain. That's waterfalls. Lots of waterfalls. Really nice. Pretty good and deep down in there. The sun reflects off of it very nicely. Nice tall tree growing up by that right there on that part. Lots of trees along here though. Lots of nice cedar trees. I will do several lessons here in this atmosphere as time goes on. Lots of good places. That's good goes a lot good long ways. Probably won't all pick up on this. As deep as that is, may not even be hardly able to see it. Deer come out here to drink water quite often.